Why is the BlueStar 30-inch induction range so expensive at $6,995? This range is way more expensive than the high-end 30-inch induction ranges from Cafe and LG Studio that actually have more features. Wolf and Miele are higher priced, but definitely have more features than the BlueStar with their guided cooking programs. So what could possibly make this BlueStar range worth almost $7,000? Well, it does have two features that the others don't, and you may want to find out what those features are to decide if it's worth the value for you. Let's start with its problems. BlueStar doesn't even have a clock or timer on their range, staying true to its commercial-like heritage. The burners are odd. Your power burner is in the back right-hand side, unlike all other ranges that have the power burner in the front, like you're used to. So it's mildly inconvenient if you're just looking to cook one item. You have to reach a bit further. However, the placement is better for shallower hoods, like the over-the-range microwaves that don't have the adequate depth to trap smoke and grease from the front burners anyway. This range also lacks a bridge element for an oblong-shaped pan or griddle, with the largest burner being just 8.5 inches in diameter. You can still cook with a larger pot, but it's just not as efficient. The oven is straight single convection, not the better twin or vertiflow convection from Miele and Wolf. So why would you buy this range for $69.95? First, you can customize it with over 1,000 color choices and 10 trims, so your range can be completely unique, unlike the limited options of stainless steel provided by most brands. But the real reason is capacity. This 30-inch induction range is able to fit an 18 by 26-inch commercial sheet pan, unlike other 30-inch ranges on the market. Let's review some other competitive ranges so you can determine whether customization and the ability to hold a sheet pan is worth the price. GE Cafe and LG Studio are premium induction ranges under $4,500. Both have clocks. Cafe gives you some color choices with 6 handle styles, while LG gives you white as an option. Cafe has a double oven, while LG Studio has an InstaView door. Tap it to darken and then tap it again to lighten. They both have smart functionality and larger bridge burners for bigger pots and pans. Then you have more expensive brands like Wolf and Miele. Both are over $8,000. You input the food and how you want it cooked, and the range calculates time and temperature. Wolf even tells you the best rack position, while Miele adds steam assist functionality to bake bread and add moisture for better roasting. Both have better convection systems, twin convection for Miele and vertiflow for Wolf. But none of these ranges can fit a sheet pan, and you can't customize any of them like you can a BlueStar. So is that worth $69.95 for you? If not, check out this video that includes a list of the other best 30-inch induction ranges, and thanks for watching.